do so and to text 5 friends and remind them to vote. Of course, we're now closing in on 8 o'clock. But it's very easy to vote here on campus. There are ballot boxes in several of the doors. And what's exciting for many in this crowd is the opportunity to vote for the very first time.
In politics to start off with, I think it kind of breeds interest in politics that
like voters to make sure they know where their polling locations are, and like it's really important to me. So I've been waiting for this for a while, so I'm pretty excited.
It really felt amazing to vote for like the first time, especially with all of like college students. Like we're all able to like share our opinions, and like you said, it's the most important year for higher education.
Proposition 30, to raise taxes and freeze education cuts, has really fueled voter interest here at Cal and at UC and CSU campuses statewide. The strongest support for Prop 30, some 77% in polls, comes from voters aged 19 to 29. Now, the cheers that were heard as well as before the national election result. This crowd predominantly returns about President Obama. But of course, they will also be glued to the results on Prop 30. We're live in Berkeley. Deborah Villalone, KTVU, Channel 2.